Hello everyone, so I'm doing a brush cleaning video, and the soap that I'm going to be using is called Zote Soap, which you can find at any 99-cent store, corner market, dollar store. And the brush mat that you will see in this video I got from Marshall's. It was under $5. So yeah, I like to start by wetting my brush with water first, and then I'll go ahead and rub the brush into the soap, and I'll just start cleaning on the mat. So this video is pretty self-explanatory, but I've came across some weird concoctions. Some people said that they have just soaked their entire brush in soapy water. Some people even went beyond and said they put their brushes in beauty blenders in the washing machine. Some people use like 4 different products: dishwashing liquid, olive oil, baby shampoo. You don't need any of that. With the Zote soap, it's just one product in water. It's really all you need. So cleaning your brushes with the Zote soap and any brush mat or with the soap itself, it doesn't require a lot of time. Like I said, you can do more than one brush at a time. You see here I'm doing it with 2 brushes. You can even do it with 3, 4. Having the mat isn't essential, but it is kind of, because it just makes the process move faster, and the bristles in the brush mat would allow better cleaning. So this video is pretty much self-explanatory, but you can even do 4 brushes at a time, which you see here, and it's a fast process. Now, if you are a makeup artist, I also learned a trick a while back, and I'll show you guys at the end of this clip, and it's something that will dry your brushes off really fast if you are in between clients, or if you're just trying to hurry up and do a look like I did. So For the tip that I learned, if you are a makeup artist, a trick that you can do is use 91% alcohol, and I say the highest percentage is because it dries quicker. So for this step, you would need 91% alcohol, and I say 91% because it will dry faster. So my brushes are still wet here. Since I have no idea where my spray bottle is, what I've been doing is just using a paper towel. So I will pour the alcohol onto the paper towel and just run my brush in circular motions over where I poured the alcohol, and then my brush gets dry like quickly. So that's the process that I do if I need to do a look and I don't have like a blending brush. I'll just go ahead and use the alcohol, and my brush is clean and dry for me to use. So you guys, that's all for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you can see my future uploads. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial with the Animoji, let me know. I think I'll be trying this out for a while. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.